Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Deputy Speaker. Recently, the Deputy Speaker position has been in the spotlight. Article 95 of the Indian Constitution states that the Deputy Speaker performs the duties of the Speaker when the latter's position is vacant. The Deputy Speaker has the same general powers as the Speaker when presiding over the House. Article 93 of the Indian Constitution mandates that the Lok Sabha shall choose 2 members to serve as Speaker and Deputy Speaker as soon as may be. The Constitution does not specify a time frame for making the appointments. The election of Deputy Speaker in the Lok Sabha is governed by Rule 8 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha. According to this rule, the election date for the Deputy Speaker is fixed by the Speaker. The Deputy Speaker's election usually takes place in the second session and is generally not delayed. Once elected, the Deputy Speaker usually continues in office until the dissolution of the House. The Deputy Speaker may vacate his or her office earlier in any of the following 3 cases. First, if he ceases to be a member of the Lok Sabha. Second, if he resigns by writing to the Speaker. And third, if he is removed by a resolution passed by a majority of all the then members of the Lok Sabha. Such a resolution can be moved only after giving 14 days advance notice. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which article of the Indian Constitution states that the Deputy Speaker performs the duties of the Speaker if the post is vacant? Article 93, Article 94, Article 95 or Article 96? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.